といえば皆様何をイメージされるでしょうか？
ニューキャッスルアライアンス会議のご盛会、そして本日お見えになりました。
putting a check on the shooting account.
では三段射法をこれから行います。はい。火をたきれ。はね。
校長先生が
Bonds of mutual support and cooperation have been developed.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Hideaki Omura, Governor of Aichi Prefecture. Welcome to Japan and welcome to Shinjiro and Aichi.
Thank you kindly for extending an invitation all the way to Newcastle, Australia. It provides us with many opportunities, and foremost for us is to say to you in person.
To the 15 cities and 13 countries represented at the 20th annual or biannual Newcastle World Conference.
You can understand it's situated on the river Danube.
Ladies and gentlemen, mesdames et messieurs, it's a great honor and pleasure to be here with you. Let me introduce you our city.
So we have a population of nearly 300,000 people. We have 2 city universities, a number of museums and art galleries and theatres.
And now we focus a lot more on some of our more iron and steel factories.
I'm greeting you on behalf of Herzegovina Montenegro, the newest member of our small but mighty alliance.
In order for this conference to be successful, and
みたいな。そうじゃな。ねえ、おじいちゃん、仏法僧はどこへ行っちゃったの？